Misa. In any family, small or big, virtually every day is filled with a huge amount of activities and chores. Misa is a robotic companion that will help you to not feel overwhelmed by all of the things you have to do, and always be aware of what's going on. First of all, Misa is a toy capable of entertaining your child for many hours. Misa will chat with the kid while their parents are busy. It can also dance and play a lot of developing and interesting games with the child. Besides this, the robot has many other useful functions. For example, Misa will act as a smart speaker, turn on an alarm clock, set a timer, find information on the internet and tell it to you, book a hotel, or suggest a recipe. During the day, the robot can be sent to patrol the house. The robot has a built-in camera and a sound recorder, so the owner can see and hear what's going on at home while they're gone. Also, you can use Misa to make video calls and watch movies. It can even be programmed to take care of the elderly. For example, it'll remind them when it's time to take their pills. There are really many useful functions, and Misa moves around the house completely independently, seeing and bypassing any obstacles. Misa will cost you at least $400. Hiwonder SpiderPi. This is a smart toy that's both fun and helpful. SpiderPi is a product of the Chinese company Hiwonder. The device can teach its owner the basics of programming. It's equipped with a high-resolution camera, which supports color recognition and helps track objects. The robot uses ultrasound to find obstacles around it, successfully bypassing them. It also supports the ability to follow visual lines. If you know how to handle SpiderPi, it becomes a toy that will never let you get bored. The possibilities of the robot are endless. With the help of coding, it can be programmed to perform a variety of tricks. You can buy it for $580. Terra-Sect Rolling Lizard. Even though this RC toy won't teach you anything special, it'll keep a restless child and replace several other toys. The secret of the Terra-Sect lizard is that it has two functional positions. In the upright position, it rides like a normal car. When bent, though, it starts to roll like a wheel and successfully overcomes obstacles and stairs. The price starts at $18. HHD H6. We're willing to bet that the next product will please passionate fans of RC toys. Why? Well, because it rids you of the agony of having to choose, as it combines two toys in one. The HHD H6 is a motorcycle that transforms into a drone in seconds with a couple of manipulations. The wheels of the vehicle are at the same time the propellers of the drone. The advantages of the toy, however, do not end there. The HHD H6 is equipped with a high-quality camera that takes photos and records video. The image is transmitted in real time via Wi-Fi to the owner's smartphone. Some of you might think that this feature's meaningless because it's impossible to get a sharp image from a moving, non-professional drone. And you'd be wrong, because the developers have given the drone the ability to hover motionless in the air, reducing the vibrations to zero. The device is controlled with a special remote control, or again with the smartphone. The battery has enough power for 8 minutes of flying or 15 minutes of riding on the ground. The range of control is moving for 10 minutes, after which the engine needs time to cool down. The screws are made of stainless steel, the wheels, headlight bezels and radiator grille are made of brass. The main material used is aluminium. It's noteworthy that the car is also a construction set. The estimated assembly time is 3 hours. The price is about $480. Power treads. But let's go back to RC cars. Most of them share a common drawback: their limited mobility. They can only drive on smooth surfaces and get stuck if they accidentally run out onto bare ground or grass. Power treads is a toy that's an exception to this rule. Its unique shape gives the machine amazing cross-country mobility for its size. It moves over all types of surfaces and playfully overcomes obstacles. This means that you can create obstacle courses for it. The cost is the AirHogs Stunt Sh. Let's finish our video with another amazing radio-controlled car. As you can see, the main feature of Stunt Sh from AirHogs are its huge soft wheels. First of all, they allow the vehicle to overcome obstacles and get into the most unexpected places. And secondly, to do it without damaging the furniture or the people around it. Stunt Sh doesn't leave behind any scratches, even if it moves on delicate surfaces. The price of the toy is $25.